Man, I finally got this joint from Armaspeed. I was waiting for forever, it felt like. Got held up in customs for a week, but finally got it, so we good. I went ahead and connected this inlet pipe to the filter with this clamp. First thing you want to do is remove the strut bar from the passenger side. Take this map sensor out before you remove anything. As you can see, there are two clamps right there that you need to remove. Take this first clamp out right here. You might have to break the seal first, and then you're going to remove, I believe, what's called a silencer, and then you're going to remove the box after you remove that second clamp. On one side of that box is the cool air sensor that you need to remove as well, and then transfer that over to the new cool air intake. There's going to be two screws you need to take out. You can use those same screws to replace the sensor back into the new cool air intake. Now there's only one way this can go into this inlet pipe, so you won't be able to mess this up at all. Then you need to insert the heat shield. There's two posts on that heat shield that go into those orange grommet holders. Then you'll be able to attach this filter through the heat shield into that accordion looking tube. Reattach that silencer part with the clamps, put the carbon fiber covers on, screw in everything, and then you're all done. Now, BMW does a really good job of sound deadening inside of the car, but in person, it sounds really good.